Okay, let's dive right into this because this is one of those things we say all the time, but we might be getting it completely wrong. We're talking about mass versus weight and why almost everyone mixes them up. So let me ask you straight up, what's your weight? Go ahead, think of the number that pops into your head. Is it 50 kilos, 60, maybe 80? You've got that number, right? The one you see on the bathroom scale? Well, what if I told you that number isn't actually your weight? Yeah, you heard me. You've probably been answering that question wrong your whole life. But don't worry, we're going to fix that right now. Because that number you just thought of, the 1 in kilograms, that's not your weight, it's your mass. And trust me, understanding the difference is a total game changer. So what exactly is mass? It's actually really simple. Mass is just the amount of stuff you're made of. It's all the atoms, all the molecules, everything that's packed inside your body. It's the measure of you.
And here's the absolute most important thing to remember about mass. It is constant. It never, ever changes. It doesn't matter if you're on Earth, on the moon, or floating in deep space. The amount of you is always the same, and that's what's measured in kilograms.
All right, let's flip over to the other side of the coin. Weight. Now this is where things get interesting. Because weight isn't about the stuff in you, it's all about the pull on you. You see? Weight is officially a force. It's the force of gravity that a planet, like our Earth, is using to pull you towards its center. So it's not really a property of just you. It's more like a relationship between you and whatever planet you happen to be standing on. And since it's a force, we can actually calculate it. And don't worry, the formula is super easy, and it makes everything click into place. And there it is. Weight equals mass times g. And that g just stands for the acceleration due to gravity. So you can see your mass, which we know is constant, is only one part of the equation. And this is why the real scientific unit for weight is the Newton, not the kilogram.
Now, here on our home planet, the value of g is pretty consistent. It's about 9.8 meters per second squared. Think of it as Earth's gravitational signature. But on another planet, that number would be completely different. And that right there is the big aha moment. Because the strength of gravity, g, changes from place to place, your weight changes right along with it. You'd weigh a whole lot less on the moon and way more on a giant planet like Jupiter, all while your mass, the actual amount of you, stays exactly the same.
So, let's put it all together. Time for the final showdown. Let's put these two concepts side by side so you can see the differences clear as day. This will lock it in for good.
See? It's so clear when you see it like this. Mass is the amount of stuff in you, it's constant, and we measure it in kilograms. Weight, on the other hand, is the force of gravity pulling on you. It changes depending on your location, and it all comes down to that local gravity. Okay, so you might be thinking, this is cool science, but why does it really matter? Well, it's about more than just being a know-it-all at a party. It's about understanding the fundamental physics of how you exist in the universe. So here's the crucial point, the reason we've all been confused. That bathroom scale? It's technically measuring the force of Earth's pull on you. That's your weight. But it's designed to do a quick little calculation and show you the result in kilograms. So it's actually telling you your mass. It's a handy shortcut that's been tricking us for decades.
So if you take away just one thing from all of this, let it be this. It's the simplest way to remember it forever. Mass is the stuff. Weight is the pull.
All right, to finish up, a little test. If you were standing on the moon, where gravity is way weaker, what would happen to your mass? And what about your weight? Think about it for a second. If you know the answer to both, then you've absolutely 100% nailed it.